Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how to vectorize any picture really quickly. Just a quick note that you should set your mouse settings to high, dots per inch DPI. Just a fun fact if you didn't know that. So yeah, you should set your mouse tracking higher. So if you want to vectorize an image, you have to go into Photoshop first, import that to Photoshop. So I have it on Photoshop here. So you go to filter gallery. Under the artistic folder, we can find poster edges and pick this, and these are the settings you want to have. Edge thickness is 0, and edge intensity is 0, and posterization is 2. And this varies on the picture you have. Play with it a bit and see. What you want to do here is like we want to break down the image into separate colors, so we could put it into After Effects. No, sorry, not After Effects. Illustrator, and vectorize it. So after you do that, you click OK. Then we have the picture here. You export it and bring it up in Illustrator. So to export it, you go to Export. You could either do quick export as PNG or export as, but I do quick export because resolution doesn't matter at all. So so here we have a picture I've been working on in Illustrator. So if you want to vectorize any picture, doesn't matter which one it is. So what you want to get started is like you want to go side by side. And if you look at the pixels closely, you could see that like there's no exact line or something for this color pencil, for example. There's no exact like way you could tell where like each color is. So you're gonna have to like make up imaginary lines. So try to make it straight. So the thing I ran into earlier is like these things always make the image look bad. So what I did was I made everything straight. So here we have this, right? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put this into like this shade. So we have the P for pencil, and on a Mac it's P also. Yeah, so you zoom in, which is Z on Windows, Z on MacBook, and click P. So you click the pencil, you start places you want to go. So in order to do this, we break out of the pencil, we click the none stroke, so we go back, click P, go back to the pencil, then we start doing it again. So roughly you have this, you hold on to the thing, make the curve. So if you click back here, make it straight again. So you go up, back, and here. Click I for the eyedropper tool. So here. Now we have this looking nice, and V is going back to the selection tool. Zoom out. Zoom out. So if we look at it from like a bit farther away, you can see that it looks much better. So we're gonna do that to like this also.
Berserker. I killed it, it's murder. Go crazy, 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 berserker. Crazy. Go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder. 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 Go crazy, berserker. Crazy.
here you have it, everyone. The image, final image of this. If you learned something new today, be sure to subscribe. Yeah.